How to recover Snapchat account. So here is a simple up-to-date guide for recovering your Snapchat account. So let's get started. First of all, open the Snapchat app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Snapchat account. So once inside this Snapchat, simply tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon at the top left. Then tap on the settings or gear icon at the top right corner of your screen and navigate to the Snapchat settings section. Now here scroll down and tap on the passwords option available there. And once you tap on the password, you can simply tap on the forgot password option available in the blue highlight. Then you'll be navigated to the choose whether you want to do it from phone or via email. Tap on the email option available, or you can also tap on the phone according to your preferences. So now simply submit your Snapchat account email, which is linked with your Snapchat account, obviously. So here I'm typing down my email, then tap on the submit or done option available there. Then all you have to do is you'll have to wait for a few minutes for your Snapchat verification to arrive on your Gmail. So here as you can see, mine has arrived. Simply tap on it. Then tap on the change option available there and navigate to your Google section. Now here you can simply enter your new password and confirm the new password. Now change your password and tap on the done or save button available there. So now once done your Snapchat account password will be changed and your Snapchat account will be recovered. So yeah, I got the notification that my Snapchat account password has been changed. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.